Hi, this is Greg from Midwest Machinery. I'm going to show you how easy it is to take a 60-inch deck off of a 1025R. It's very simple and easy. It works best on a nice flat surface. We use a rubber mat just so it doesn't skid away. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to release all 4 of the wheels on the deck. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to lower the cut height to the install position on this side of the tractor. You're then going to take your lever to lower the deck all the way down to the ground. When that's down there, you reach underneath here and grab 2 clips, one on each side of the deck, and flip up the metal piece to remove it. You then would get back onto the tractor, put it in a low gear and in 4-wheel drive at about medium throttle. Back up, off the tractor, and it's done. And that's how easy it is to remove a 60-inch deck on a 1025R. To put it on, you just do it in reverse.